Welcome back to Dan the Cleaning Man. Is your messy workspace secretly destroying your productivity? Did you know in just 3 simple steps you can fix it and fix it fast? Let me show you the secret method top companies like Toyota use to stay ultra efficient.
Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're embarking on a journey to create a workspace that sparks joy and inspires productivity. You might be wondering, how can cleaning bring joy? Well, it's not just about cleaning. It's about creating a space where you feel motivated, focused, and at peace. We'll be using the 3S cleaning method, a powerful system used by companies like Toyota to maintain order and efficiency. The beauty of this method is its simplicity. It's not about complicated rules, but about mindful actions that bring lasting change. Get ready to transform your workspace, step by step, into a haven of organization and inspiration. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the 3S method: sort, set in order, and shine, and how to apply it to your own unique space. Are you ready to tidy up? Let's begin. Our first step, sort, is about making conscious decisions about what truly belongs in our workspace. Imagine each item in your workspace as having a conversation with you. What is this item saying? Is it saying, "I'm essential to your work, and I bring you joy to use"? Or is it whispering, "I clutter your space and weigh down your energy"? Remember, we're not just decluttering for the sake of a clean surface. We're creating a space where the items that remain spark joy and inspire us to do our best work. Hold each item in your hands and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, it deserves a place in your workspace. If it doesn't, thank the item for its service and let it go with gratitude. Now, I understand that letting go can be challenging. That's why we'll use a gentle and effective technique, the red tag system. As you go through your workspace, tag any items that you're unsure about with a red tag or sticky note. These tagged items will be placed in a designated area for review. Give yourself a set time, say a month, to revisit these items. If you haven't used or needed them during that time, it's a clear sign that they're ready to move on. Remember, letting go of things that no longer serve us creates space for new opportunities and inspiration to enter our lives. This process is not about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that align with our values and aspirations. So, let's approach this step with a spirit of gratitude and a willingness to create a workspace that truly reflects who we are and what we want to achieve. Now that we've created space by letting go of what no longer serves us, we can move on to the next step: set in order. This step is about creating a sense of calm and clarity by giving every item a designated home. Imagine opening a drawer and instantly finding exactly what you need without having to rummage or search. This is the power of organization. It frees up our mental energy and allows us to focus on what truly matters. When we set our workspace in order, we're essentially creating a visual map for our minds to follow. Everything has its place, and we can navigate our surroundings with ease and efficiency. Remember the joy of a well-organized library where each book has its designated spot on the shelf? We can bring that same sense of order and tranquility to our own workspaces. One of the key principles of setting in order is to prioritize functionality. Frequently used items should be the most accessible. If you use something daily, it deserves a prime location within arm's reach. Think about your daily routine and arrange your workspace accordingly. Storage solutions are our allies in this process. Use clear containers, drawer dividers, and labels to create a system that is both visually appealing and easy to maintain. When everything has a designated home, it's much easier to put things back where they belong, preventing clutter from creeping back in. The one-touch rule is another helpful guideline. The fewer steps it takes to retrieve or store an item, the better. For example, a shadow board, a pegboard with the outline of each tool, is a fantastic way to keep tools organized and easily accessible. In an office setting, this could translate to designated trays for incoming and outgoing mail, or a digital filing system with clear and consistent naming conventions. Remember, setting in order is an ongoing practice, not a one-time event. As our work evolves, so too should our organizational systems. Embrace the process of continuous improvement and find joy in creating a workspace that supports your productivity and well-being. Now that we've sorted and organized our workspace, it's time for the final step: shine. This step is about creating a clean and inviting atmosphere that nourishes our senses and uplifts our spirits. Imagine walking into your workspace and being greeted by sparkling surfaces, fresh air, and a sense of calm and clarity. This is the transformative power of Shine. Shining is not merely about aesthetics. It's about creating a space where we feel comfortable, focused, and inspired. A clean and well-maintained workspace can have a profound impact on our mood, productivity, and overall well-being. Think of it as a form of self-care. By taking care of our surroundings, we're also taking care of ourselves. Start and end each workday with a quick 5-minute cleanup. Clear your desk or workbench, put things back in their designated places, and wipe away any dust or spills. These small acts of tidying throughout the day prevent clutter from accumulating and maintain a sense of order and tranquility. Incorporate a weekly deep clean into your routine. This is an opportunity to give your workspace a more thorough cleaning. Wipe down surfaces, organize digital files, and address any lingering clutter. This dedicated time for cleaning allows you to reset and refresh your space, ensuring that it remains a source of joy and inspiration. The 2-minute rule is a powerful technique for maintaining a clean and organized workspace. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This could be as simple as filing away a document, wiping down a spill, or putting away a tool. By addressing these small tasks promptly, we prevent them from piling up and becoming overwhelming. Remember, Shine is not just about cleanliness, it's about creating a space that reflects our values and aspirations. A clean and organized workspace can inspire creativity, enhance focus, and promote a sense of peace and well-being. So, let's approach this final step with the same care and intention that we brought to the previous 2. Congratulations on completing the 3S journey. You've taken the first step towards a more joyful and productive work life. Remember, it all boils down to sort, keep only what sparks joy and supports your work. Set in order, create a home for everything, prioritizing functionality and ease of access. Shine. Make cleaning a mindful practice, maintaining a space that inspires and uplifts you. By embracing these 3 steps, you'll find that maintaining a clutter-free and inspiring workspace becomes a natural and rewarding part of your routine. And remember, the true magic of the 3S method lies not just in the external transformation of your workspace, but also in the internal shift it inspires, a sense of calm, clarity, and joy that extends far beyond your desk. Now, I'm eager to hear from you. Which of the 3S steps resonates with you the most, and which one do you find most challenging? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn and grow together on this journey towards tidier and more fulfilling lives. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring tips on organization, productivity, and finding joy in everyday life. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.